Potentially one of the greatest and most popular side hustles teenagers and really people of all ages can start in this era is reselling Hypebeast sneakers. For those of you who aren't aware, pretty much every single day online, limited edition shoes drop that sell out in literally minutes, and a lot of them resell for major profit. For example, when Kanye West dropped his famous Yeezy Boost 350 Zebras in 2017, they sold out in literally 15 minutes for a retail price of $220, and now just 3 years later, those same Yeezys are going for $400 plus on StockX. That's like a $200 return on a single pair of shoes just by holding them and purchasing them on their release. So in this video, I am going to be buying up as many Hypebeast sneakers as possible for an entire week in an effort to make enough money to buy that Lamborghini I have always dreamed of. Guys, this video is definitely going to be an extremely interesting challenge, so stay tuned until the very end. And with that being said, let's roll the intro. Good morning, everyone. Today is September 4th at 6:49 a.m. and well, today is an absolutely massive day for sneaker reselling. A bunch of shoes are dropping that resell for massive markups, such as the Yeezy Slides, Air Force Ones, Air Jordan 1s, and finally the Nike Low Disrupts. I am 100% positively going to go for the Yeezy Slides today, as they are retailing for only $55 on YeezySupply.com and the Adidas website, and they are reselling between $120 and $150 on StockX, which is absolutely an insane return if I'm able to get one of those Yeezy Slides. As for the other shoes I just mentioned, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be going for them today, as they're literally all dropping at the same time on the Nike Supply app, and I'm not too familiar with it since I'm still a beginner, but obviously I'm still going to give some sort of effort, and hopefully I'm able to get at least one of those pairs of shoes. The one thing that is going to make all of this difficult is the fact that it is a Friday today and I have school on Fridays, so I'm literally going to be sitting in class trying to get these hype shoes to resell for a profit. So guys, wish me luck. And just like that, on that early Friday morning, I drove to school with nothing but cold hard determination in my mind and Tekashi 6ix9ine's new album Tattletales playing in my ears. I'm a locked up, don't let me out. After jamming out to my boy 6ix9ine in the car, I arrived at school and I remembered I had to update you guys on two more sneakers I was going to go for on the Adidas Confirmed app with major resale value. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to school, but before I go inside, I want to let you know about this thing by the name the Adidas Confirmed app. Basically, every single day on this app, different shoes drop. So today, these shoes by the name ZX8000 Iraq are dropping for two different colorways, and I went inside for both of the drawings. Today, I am in for the size 12.5 drawing for this colorway, and I'm also in for the size 12.5 as well for this colorway. Hopefully, I get one of these pairs of shoes. I don't really know the resale value on these, but I'm guessing if there's some sort of drawing, they're super limited, and I'll be able to resell them for a profit if I get my hands on one of them. Following that vlog update, I walked inside my school, and by my first period, I was already going for a pair of Yeezy Slides for a retail price of $55 on the Yeezy Supply website. Unfortunately, however, after 30 minutes of sitting in the waiting room, the shoes all sold out and I wasn't able to purchase them. Although I was discouraged following that absolutely devastating event, I definitely recovered and finished off the reselling day nicely by purchasing a pair of Nike Air Force Ones at retail for a total cost of $126 on the SNKRS app. Along with that, I also got a pair of bone-colored Yeezy Slides at retail from the Adidas website drop at 10 a.m. Yo guys, I just got out of school. I'm with my friends Liberty and her friend Brianna. They wanted to be on the vlog. It is currently 11 a.m. in the morning. I just got out of school and today was an absolutely amazing day for sneaker reselling. Yeah, let's go.
Make that money.
I just secured the Yeezy slides in the bone gray color, and I also got Air Force Ones in the size 5.5. The Yeezys were an absolutely amazing pickup. They're selling for over $200 on Go and StockX now, and my total cost for those shoes were only about $60. I also secured Air Force Ones. Those aren't too good of a resale value, but I will at least break even on those sneakers for sure, because worst case, I can just return them and say they didn't fit. Anyways, guys, hopefully we can keep this momentum up in future days of this episode, so I will keep you guys updated. Good morning, everyone. It is currently Saturday, September 5th at 7:50 a.m. And well, I am still in my pajamas waiting for the Yeezy Quantums to drop on Adidas Supply at 8 a.m. Today, some super awesome shoes are dropping, such as the Yeezy Quantums at 8 a.m. on YeezySupply.com, the Jordan 7 Grand Chinas dropping on the Sneakers app at 9 a.m., and finally at 10 a.m. the Yeezy Quantums have a raffle going on the Adidas Confirmed app that I entered in for all three sizes, which are the adult, the kids, and the infant size. Hopefully I get at least one of those pairs of shoes today, because each of those shoes have insane resale values. The Yeezy Quantums are retailing for $250 in the adult size, and they are already reselling of upwards of $350. And as for the Jordan 7 Grand Chinas, they're retailing for $200, and they're already reselling for about a $50 profit if you get above the 10.5 size. With that being said, guys, the Yeezy supply drop is literally happening in like 2 minutes and 40 seconds, so wish me luck. I am currently on the Yeezy supply waiting room on both my phone and my computer. At first I was having trouble entering in on my computer, but I kept trying different browsers and eventually it worked out with Safari. So in the future, I think I'm actually going to enter the Yeezy supply website before a drop on as many different computer browsers as possible, because I think that way you don't get blocked by the Yeezy supply website. So guys, with that being said, wish me luck. Hopefully we get a pair of Yeezy Quantums. If not, we will have another opportunity later today. After about 20 minutes of sitting in the Yeezy supply waiting room, I ended up not getting a single pair of Yeezy Quantums despite getting the opportunity. As you guys can see, the Yeezy Quantums are officially sold out, and the most annoying thing is I actually had the opportunity to purchase the Yeezys on my phone, but for some reason the website said that my payment method was declined, even though I obviously know that my payment method is valid. I think the website was just messing up because it was getting so much traffic, but it's annoying that I had the opportunity to buy the Yeezys on my phone, but the payment method wasn't going through, and by the time it did, everything was sold out. So it kind of sucks, but we have more opportunities today, and hopefully by the end of the day, we get at least one shoe to resell. Following that devastating event, I took a quick shower and got out of my pajamas to prepare for the next sneaker drop. Yo guys, I just took a shower and got ready for the day, and literally in 4 minutes, the Jordan 7s are dropping, and I am currently on the sneakers app waiting for them to release so that I can get them as soon as they come out to resell them for a profit. I am going to be going for the size 8.5 Jordan 7s because I'm pretty sure the larger sizes are going to go so quick it will be almost impossible to get them, and at the size 8.5 they are still profitable according to StockX. So guys, I'm just gonna wait for the hype shoe to release, and I will let you guys know as soon as they do. To have a chance at securing a limited edition shoe on the sneaker app, you simply have to wait until the shoe you want drops, and then once it does, you pick out the size you want as fast as possible, along with filling out your shipping and payment information, and hopefully you get lucky by securing the shoe, and unfortunately in my case, I wasn't. I just lost out on the Jordan 7s. I have no idea how people checked out faster than I did because I literally had everything pre-saved and I checked out within like 5 seconds, but whatever, we still have the chance with the Yeezy Quantums later today, and hopefully we win on those because I want to at least make some money today. Long story short, despite entering in the raffle for the Yeezy Quantums on the Adidas Confirmed app in the adult, kids, and infant sizes, I ultimately failed at securing those shoes. Dang guys, today ended up being a super difficult day for the sneaker reselling business. We ended up not getting any shoes to resell for a profit, and the worst thing about it is no more limited edition sneakers are dropping until next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so we are going to have to wait till then to continue this challenge. It is now Thursday, September 10th, and well, today one of the best shoes are dropping of the entire month, called the Lemon Wash Nike Dunk Lows. They are dropping for a retail price of $100, and they're already reselling on StockX for $400 to $500. That is absolutely an insane margin, so hopefully we're able to scoop up a pair, but I'm assuming if they have that kind of margin, it's going to be extremely difficult to get that pair of shoe to resell for a profit. But guys, it's always worth a shot, so wish me luck. And boom, right away at 9 a.m., the shoes dropped on the SNKRS app, and although I entered in my payment information, my shipping information, and my shoe size pretty much right as the SNKRS dropped, I wasn't able to secure the shoes on time at the end of the day. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to secure the Nike Dunk Lows today, but it's okay because I still have some good news for you guys, and that is that the two shoes I bought on the first day of this challenge ended up coming in, and starting things off with the Yeezy slides, I already resold them for a $125 profit. It is currently 2 p.m. on Sunday, September 6th, and as you guys can see, the Yeezy slides have officially arrived. And well guys, I already ended up selling the slides for a profit to this Instagram page by the name of Sidekicks. He reached out to me on Instagram and offered me $195 for the slides, and obviously I couldn't resist that price as it's more than GOAT and StockX were offering for the size 10 bone colored Yeezy slides at the time. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and ship the Yeezy slides out now and secure some profit. To ship out the Yeezy slides, I simply used a free cardboard box I had laying around the house. I put the Yeezys inside the box, and finally the last thing I had to do was print out a $7 UPS label and bring the box to the post office. Now that you guys know that we are officially $125 in the green on this challenge, I want to let you know that these Air Force Ones that just came in the box right here are going to be shipped right back to Nike, and I am going to use the excuse that they don't fit at all. They aren't a profitable flip when you check StockX, and I guess I'm going to use that as a learning lesson that just because a shoe is limited doesn't mean it's going to be profitable. Anyways guys, tomorrow and the next day on the SNKRS app, some profitable shoes are going to be dropping, so hopefully we'll be able to secure some of those to finish this 1 week challenge. The next 2 days of this sneaker reselling challenge actually ended up going decently well. I ended up going for a pair of Air Jordan 1 Zooms, retailing at $175 on the sneaker app, along with a pair of Jordan 5 SE Oregons, retailing at $225. Although I missed out on the Jordan 5s by a long shot, I still ended up securing the Jordan 1s while I was going to the bathroom at school. The resale value on the Jordan 1s I purchased in the size 14 is $226 on StockX, so I am simply going to accept that offer as soon as the shoes arrive, and I am going to resell them for a $14 profit after all associated fees. Altogether, that brings the total profit for this 1 week hype shoe reselling challenge to $138.40, which is pretty good for a beginner who only bought 3 pairs of shoes in a single week.